Has anyone ever told you that you had a great voice or that you should use your voice for radio or TV? Well, stay tuned. This video might be the one you're looking for. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Are you looking for a fun and flexible way to make extra money? Well, voiceover work might be the solution for you. In today's video, we'll go over how to get started with the voiceover work, how to improve your skills, and how to make money. Let's dive in. First, let's discuss what voiceover is. Voiceover is a production technique that an individual hires someone to do the narrative. They do this for radio, TV, filmmaking, theater, or other presentations. This includes commercials, audiobooks, animation, video games, and more. To get started with voiceover work, you need some basic equipment like good microphone, headphones, a pop filter, and some recording software. Here's a quick overview of setting up your recording space. You first choose a quiet room. Set up your microphone with the pop filter to reduce plosive sounds and use recording software to capture your voice. Make sure to eliminate any background noise that echoes for a professional sound. There's some key points to keep in mind. Make sure you warm your voice up with exercises. Work on articulation and clarity. Also, practice breathing techniques and experiment with your pitch, tone, and pace. Practice regularly to improve your skills. Try reading scripts out loud daily and record yourself tracking your progress. Listen to professional voiceover artists and analyze their delivery. This will help improve your skills as a voiceover artist. So how do you turn this skill into a money-making side hustle? Here's some ways to find voiceover gigs. You can create your profile on freelance platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Voices.com. Also, make sure that you network with industry professionals like on LinkedIn and other social medias. Don't forget to join voiceover communities and attend workshops. And last but not least, build a professional portfolio that highlights your best work. This can include reels for different types of voiceover work, such as commercials and narration. Your demo reel is your calling card. Here's how to create a professional one. First, select the variety of scripts that showcase different styles. Then, record and edit each clip to highlight your strengths. Then, keep it concise, around 1 to 2 minutes long. Make sure that your demo reel is polished and represents your versatility. This will help you attract potential clients. When creating videos and demo reels, using the right stock footage and music can make a big difference. Here's some tips. Use high-quality stock footage that matches the theme of your voiceover. Choose royalty-free music that complements the mood of your narration. Also, you can use websites like Storyblocks, Pixabay, Pexels that offer great resources. The right visual and audio can enhance your presentation and make it more engaging to your audience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for tips and tutorials. See you next time.